What we were looking for with Macam was a way to improve the efficiency of self-driving vehicles. We're going to achieve that by introducing a common operations centre that can support two different fleets operating in two different locations. And to add to that sort of efficiency improvement, we're also using the vehicle for two purposes. So we're using it for both passenger services and parcel services. Our mission is really to sort of demonstrate how we can actually achieve those extra efficiencies. There's enough challenges already with making the vehicles automated. We're looking towards the end of the project to have the driver or the safety operator no longer on the vehicle. The system is supported by a remote monitoring and teleoperation system that's sat behind me. And we're looking to use that with a sliced 5G network to help support the overall business case. The remote monitoring and teleoperation is there to support the automated vehicle or self-driving vehicle. It's not there to provide emergency intervention. So when the vehicle gets into a difficult situation, in other words, it can't negotiate past a car, it's there for a remote driver to take over and say, okay, I'm going to get past this vehicle and then re-engage automation. There's two unique elements to it. One is the fact that we are doing the dual purpose vehicles. We are having a mixed fleet of vehicles, so the vehicles can be assigned arbitrarily to whichever task needs to be done. But also there's that uniqueness around having that common operations centre where we're using a single operations centre for remote driving and support covering both fleets. So that's going to be an interesting challenge that really supports the business case and deployment of self-driving vehicles. It's finding a way to actually make it affordable. The technology is still quite expensive. The operations are still quite expensive. If you've got to have an onboard operator on the vehicle at the same time as having to pay for all that technology, you haven't got any commercial savings. You aren't improving the way the system can get deployed. And therefore you're not addressing existing problems such as driver shortages. By having that common operations centre and helping to accelerate that deployment of self-driving vehicles, we're really helping to address society challenges. This funding makes this project possible. Without it, the project would not exist.